everyone! In today's video, we are fixing the inverted or the mirrored camera issue on your Discord. So if your webcam looks flipped left to right, we just need to follow up these steps to fix it. So again, let's start by going to Discord, open up Discord. And once you open up Discord, you can click on the gear icon and access your user settings. So log in. And from this interface right here, select the settings option, click on it, and access your user settings. And from your left hand side, go to voice and video section and click on it. Once you go to voice and video, you need to go over, scroll down to video settings. You can just go over and find the video settings here, and you can look out for the camera option here. So let's go to video and find the camera option. And while you are using this camera option right here, you can just go over and see if your camera is mirrored here, because Discord always mirrors the preview but shows the correct orientation to other. You can ask a friend or join a test server. It will be normal. You can just go over and do so. You can preview the video here. If not, this what you can do is you can just go over and fix your camera driver app. So you can just go over and look out for the settings. And within your settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, select the option of camera, and find your camera here. And within your camera, if there is any option related with the camera fix, flip, something like that, you can just go over and turn it off from here, and also reset your camera if you prefer. If not this, you can just go over and update your camera drivers. Press Windows plus X for that. Go to Device Manager, hit Enter, and expand the camera and imaging devices. Find camera and expand it up. Find your camera, by click on it, update driver, and search automatically for drivers. And that should probably work for you. And that's it. You should probably fix this issue by following up this method. So we hope this video was helpful to you. That's how we fix that issue. So if this video helped, hit the like button and check out and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.